Welcome back to another video. Beautiful day out here in dirty Jersey. We got blue skies, clear skies. We got this beautiful bike right here, and I wanted to make a video today talking about these mini floorboards here that I have that we haven't done a full in-depth video on it. A lot of people have been asking me, what boards are those? What mini floorboards? They look great, they look nice. Where can I get them? These are from Cross Threads. So huge shout out to Cross Threads, by the way. I've had these for some time right now. I've been rocking out with them. I was lucky enough to have them right before they were made available to the public, so I was kind of testing them out. And they're great, man. They're really nice, beautiful design. This is their new design because they do have a similar design, but now they're kind of changing it up, giving you a second option as well. I like them, man. They have great grip, perfect size as well. If you have stock pegs, guys, like, you need to get rid of them like ASAP, because you know they're thin. They really don't have that much grip, but these give you a lot of space for you to rest your feet on, right? So your foot is comfortable on them. You can still move your foot around, but the grip on it is really good. So you have grip all around the edges here. You have that Cross Threads design, made in America right there. Real easy to install, really easy to install. They do bend up like that as well, and it's a nice affordable upgrade that you can add to your bike. Looks good, has purpose, serves a good function, and you can also get them in different colors. So I mean, we obviously went black with this one, nice clean look. But overall, a pretty solid product, man. Really nice. Let me know what you guys think down below. Drop your thoughts and your comments. Another thing you can do with these is that you can kind of install them to your liking as well. So you see I had them right there in the middle. If you want, you can use the front hole, which that will kind of push it back a bit, or the last one, which will push it forward a bit. So for those of you guys that kind of want to get it to the perfect place, I know some people like having the foot a bit forward, some back. That's really good for that as well. So yeah, man, bike is coming along really nice, little by little. She looks great. Super excited on how everything is turning out with this bike. Let's do a quick little walk around of everything, but I'm happy the way the whole bike is coming together. Let me know if you guys want me to kind of focus on any product that's on this bike as well. We do like a long-term review or something like that. I mean, I got some stuff planned, but just in case if some of you guys really want to know a little bit more about anything specific that's on this bike right now, let's turn her on just for shits and giggles, right? Because this bike does sound really good. Nice gallop. Such a good, clean sound. This is combined with the 131 and the Cyclorama 483 cam. Bike sounds amazing. Oh, stop sign, of course. Where we're going? Oh, we're going this way. Anyways, that's gonna be it. I am gonna catch you guys in the next one. I'm gonna keep enjoying this beautiful day out here. It's a beautiful Sunday, and the weather's nice. Nice little brisk weather. Like always, guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe. And enjoy the ride, baby. Peace. Oh, one last thing. If you guys want to order yourself a pair of my gloves, these are the MK87 in collabs with the Torque Custom Cycle Company. The link is down below. You can order yourself a pair. Limited quantity. Once they're gone, they're gone. We won't be making anymore. Be different. Stand out. Get yourself a pair of these.